Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the air fryer error code E1. So in order to fix this error, you just have to follow these steps. Your air fryer was probably stored in a cold place, so you just have to unplug the appliance and you just have to let it rest for 30 minutes before plugging it again. Now if your device was stored at a low ambient temperature, let it adjust to room temperature for at least 30 minutes before plugging it in again. Now if the error code remains on the display after plugging it again, please contact us for further assistance. So you just have to first try to follow these steps, and if the error still persists, you just have to simply contact them as per themselves. So in order to contact them, you just have to simply go to philips.com, and here you will be able to see this message icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you just have to type the message, and you can even upload the image of the error that you are facing, and the customer service executive from Philips uh, is going to help you with this problem. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.